This isn't an ordinary message. This is a divine call. This message will reach 3 individuals today. Thinking they have time, 2 will scroll past their miracle. No, they don't. The portal to heaven opened 3 seconds ago and will close in precisely 13 minutes. What unfolds in these next moments will influence your breakthrough, your lineage, and your eternity. Have you ever thought about why all the doors suddenly closed at the same time? What happened to all those opportunities in just one season? Why do people just disappear without any reason? It wasn't just a coincidence. It wasn't a failure. It was like everything fell perfectly into place. Heaven is shutting all the fake doors so that the real one can open up just when it's meant to. Today, 3 people are going to come across this message. Some people will just brush it off, keep scrolling, thinking they have all the time in the world, but they'll miss out on something truly special. Just 1 will remain. Just 1 will embrace. Just 1 will step out in faith, and that one is you. The portal just opened a few seconds ago, and it won't be around for long. It's closing in just 13 minutes. What you choose to do in this short time frame really impacts more than just today. It decides what lasts forever. Your bloodline is what it decides. It's the breakthrough you've been longing for, even when no one seemed to listen. The warmth that fills your chest while you read is your soul connecting with its creator's voice. The distractions that seem to tug at you, the notifications are buzzing, feeling the need to look at something different. They're not just little things. These are focused attacks meant to sever the connection before the message really sinks in. Hold your ground. Hold on tight. What's being said right now is the crucial piece that wraps up a 7-year mission aimed at your life. I've noticed you. I've seen every tear fall from your eyes when you thought the night was hiding you away. I've heard your quiet prayers at 2 a.m. when you felt like no one was listening. I've seen you put on a brave face even when it felt like pain was trying to take over. I noticed that moment when you gave away your last coin, your final bit of strength, and that last shred of faith, when you felt like you had nothing left to give. I noticed when you wobbled a bit but managed to stay upright. I noticed those rejection letters that really hit you hard. I noticed the betrayal from those you trusted the most. I watched as dreams slipped through your fingers like water. Let me tell you, none of it was wasted. You've been wondering why the fight just keeps going on and on. Why does it seem like every step forward feels like you're dragging weights around your ankles? It felt like every effort was hitting an invisible wall. Your perseverance hasn't gone unnoticed by heaven. You picked faith over fear more than 1,000 times. You called out my name softly, with tears in your eyes. You stuck around when you could have easily just walked away and let it go. Don't think those moments are gone. Don't buy into the enemy's lies that your prayers just bounce off the ceiling. They wrote down every single word. Every sigh of your soul is noted in the records of heaven. Not a single one hit the ground. You're not denied. Looks like you've been held up a bit. It's not that you were forgotten. It's not that you weren't worthy. It's just that your destiny needed the timing of heaven, not what we humans have on our calendars. You were kept out of sight to be preserved. They kept you out of sight for some prep work. What's coming is going to put an end to all the voices that mocked you and every doubt that was thrown your way. For 13 years, there's been a hidden war going on in your family line. While you were catching some sleep, there were epic battles happening up in the heavens. The challenges you encountered weren't just by chance. It just didn't feel right. A spirit of delay has been hanging around your breakthrough since 2011. Its goal was to slow you down, to get under your skin, to keep what belonged to you at bay. But tonight, as the sun sets, that spirit's power comes to a close. The assignment is done. The folks who stepped away from you didn't just happen to leave. It was my choice, because they couldn't keep up with where you're headed. The chances that slipped away were taken from you because they might have thrown you off your path. I wasn't trying to punish you. I was looking out for you, trying to keep you safe from what's happening now, so that your future could stay bright. As you read these words, you can feel the atmosphere around you changing. The number 888 is showing up in your situation. There are so many amazing new starts that come with incredible growth. In just 72 hours, you'll notice 3 clear signs showing up. You know, a financial breakthrough is on its way, and it's going to come from a place you least expect. Plus, it'll bring back 7 times what you lost. You'll get a call or a message from someone who really hurt you, and they'll be looking to make things right and heal the situation. And that door you haven't knocked on in ages, it's going to swing open without you even trying. Your body isn't just flesh and blood. It's like a living temple. Gifts that have been lying dormant in your DNA, passed down through generations, are starting to awaken. Tomorrow, right at 5:55 a.m., you'll wake up without an alarm, and your hands will feel all tingly with a fire you just can't quite put your finger on. That's going to be the sign. Your ancestral healing gifts are coming to life. The betrayal you faced last April will come back around. What was said about you in secret comes back 7 times stronger to the person who cursed you. Your stolen money is coming back, and it's bringing some extra with it. In heaven's court, any false testimonies against you are turned around. Right now, those generational curses of poverty, sickness, and brokenness are being broken. In the next 48 hours, you might see a different side of someone close to you. Someone who has shared smiles at your table, but might be up to something sneaky behind the scenes. You'll see their real side soon enough. The person who let you down last April is about to face a big turnaround. What they said about you is coming back to them, and it's going to hit hard. Your stolen money is being returned to you, along with some extra for the trouble. You know that false testimony that was thrown around behind your back? Well, it's been heard up in heaven's courtroom, and guess what? The verdict has been flipped on its head. The cycle of struggles that has affected your family with poverty, illness, and fractured relationships has been lifted by the blood. I'm revealing the hidden saboteur who's been working against you right from your own circle. In just 48 hours, the truth will come out, and you'll finally see who's been sitting at your table while secretly working against you. Just remember, it's best not to go after revenge. They've already made up their minds. The trap they set for you is going to end up catching them instead. The things they quietly said in the shadows will come back to haunt them in the light of day. Tonight at midnight, we're sending that spirit of infirmity packing from your household. The spirit of poverty that's been holding back your growth for 7 years is now being bound and cast into the abyss. The confusion that's been clouding your mind and stealing your peace is finally being put to rest for good. The heavenly tribunal has put a restraining order on all those pesky demonic forces that have been bothering your bloodline. They can't cross the bloodline I'm drawing around you at this moment. All right, my dear, it's time to take a leap of faith. Put your right hand on your heart and your left hand on your belly. Take a deep breath in for 7 counts. Just hold on for 7 seconds. Let's go ahead and release for 7. Just do this 3 times, like you usually do. Say it out loud. I've been chosen. I've got protection. I've been delivered. I got my breakthrough. Your chest will start to feel more relaxed now. You'll feel that weight on your shoulders start to lift. Your mind will become clear again. Hey, why not grab your phone right now? Get rid of the number of that person who's been sapping your energy with all their negativity. You totally know who I'm talking about. Cut off their access to your life. Time to tackle that drawer, closet, or room that's turned into a storage spot for things you don't use anymore. Your physical clutter is really impacting your spiritual vibe. Hey, before you hit the sack tonight, why not jot down the name of your biggest fear on a piece of paper? So go ahead and burn it safely, while reminding yourself that fear doesn't hold any power over your future. Go ahead and type 777 inches, the comments, to get heaven's response system going. This isn't just about interacting. It's like a spiritual frequency tuner that lets your guardian angel know you're all set to receive. Pass this message along to 3 people who could really use it right now, just the right amount. So, here's the deal. Heaven's multiplication system operates in 3s, and when you show obedience, it not only sparks their breakthrough, but also boosts yours too. So, my dear, I'm sending you all the good vibes and blessings for your life. It's not just about achieving financial success for yourself. It's about creating abundance that allows you to bless others. Think of it as healing for your body, mending broken relationships, and finding clarity for those tough problems you face. Your family will break free from struggles like poverty, illness, and separation. From you will come generational wealth, heavenly wisdom, and a flame of worship that will always burn bright. Just keep in mind, the next 48 hours could really shape the next 7 years of your life. This is a really important time. With each passing second, the door keeps closing more and more. Feel free to reach out. Take a moment to notice the blessing that's already waiting for you right now. Listen up, just hanging in there, waiting. It seems like the blessing isn't on its way. It's here. Breakthrough isn't happening tomorrow. It's happening right now. Finally, the waiting is done. Today marks the start of the reigning season. You're stepping right into royalty. Now, instead of shaking in fear before the enemy, we stand tall, wearing our crown of righteousness and singing our victory song. The chains are broken. The gates of heaven open up wide. Blessings just keep coming, don't they? Don't just listen. Step up and take what's rightfully yours. This isn't just a far-off promise anymore. It's a reality that's happening right now. You're not just going through the motions anymore. You're living it up and taking charge. Looks like the rain is starting right now. Pass this message along so someone else can discover hope during their toughest times. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and stick around. The story that's unfolding for you is just getting started, and you won't want to miss what comes next. Sparkles, my dear child, tune in with your whole heart, because what I'm about to share will resonate deeply with your soul. Your tomorrow is being painted by the heavens with colors you've never seen before. Every stroke holds the key to the pain you've been through. Your story isn't over yet. This is the big reveal of the incredible work that's been happening behind the scenes in heaven. Picture yourself stepping into a fresh new day. The sunlight feels brighter, not because the sky is different, but because your spirit is shining more. The burden you used to bear doesn't weigh you down anymore. Instead, you can feel a sense of confidence building up inside you. A calm confidence that expresses, "I was made to endure, and now I'm ready to flourish." That's the first sign that good things are coming your way, power wrapped in tranquility. So, my dear, that's when the unexpected starts to come your way. A message comes in, and suddenly your plans take a different turn. A call comes in, and suddenly you're talking to someone who really gets your value. Your finances, which used to feel like they were slipping away, start to settle down and even grow. What used to be scarce is now abundant. What used to be confusing is now clear. These aren't just accidents. They're like little miracles already planned out for you. But heaven isn't finished yet. You'll start to see how the people around you are changing. Some people will slip away quietly, not due to rejection, but simply because their role in your journey has come to an end. And others will come in bringing love, truth, and support with them. These are the folks who lift you up, cheer for you without a hint of jealousy, and stand by your side no matter what. That's just another blessing, isn't it? A community created from a divine blueprint. My dear, get ready because love is just around the corner. It's not that delicate love that let you down before. It's a love that's grounded in honesty and respect. It'll arrive gently, out of the blue, but it will seem like it was always meant to happen. You'll see it not through empty promises, but through steady actions. This love won't wear you out. If you're feeling this message resonate within you, go ahead and type, "My new chapter begins now," in the comments so the universe can bless it in your life. Amen.